Knock knock, this is Janice. Talk about kidney. For men, if your kidney is weak, you cannot have a good performance. Second, you cannot earn enough money. Third, you will have losing hair, bald, okay, gray hair, okay, and most important that if you don't have the strong will to do a good job to earn a lot of money and you don't have the good performance with your wife, and so the relationship will be really bad. Okay, kidney is very important. Okay, for women, and we give the birth to a baby, so the baby inside will consume qi of our kidney. So mostly 90% of the women after we give the birth to the baby will have dementia, memory loss, losing hair, and gray hair, and severe lower back pain, and shoulder pain, neck pain. Also, you will have the knee pain, heel pain. All these kind of pains caused by the dysfunction of the kidney. Okay, and here I will show you two new things. Okay, new things, herb and food together, but actually it's food. All the ingredients is from Tibetan. So Tibetan food will be more effective than the plain. Okay, this is a brown kidney balls to make you to get more qi for kidney. I already take it for 3 days. My back pain is gone. Okay, because this is really good for the qi of kidney. Okay. Next one, I take this for 3 days. This is a Tibetan red yeast rice tea. It's good for high blood pressure, diabetes, and blood sugar, lipids, improve your immune system, good for digestion system, good for spleen and stomach, also anti-aging. Okay, if you have the diarrhea or constipation, take this one, and high blood pressure. Okay, those two available, of course, on my website. Okay, I post a website here. Everything I shared, I test it, I use it, I drink it, I eat it, it works. I will recommend them to you. Okay, and again, emphasize the fruits. If you feel thirsty often, you have the dry skin, dry mouth, dry lips, dry throat, sweat a lot at night, hot flashes, hot hands and hot feet, that means you lack of fluids. So you drink fluids tea first. Okay, and this is a sequence. So in this way, you can get your yin, get your yang, so you can solve your diseases. Otherwise, it's really difficult for you to get recovered. Okay, so this is a way that you can solve your problem. Western medicine only try to control your disease, your symptoms, like high blood pressure. You have to take it all through your life. I said if you take medicine for your high blood pressure, definitely at last you'll have a stroke. Okay, I'm not frightening you because this is a true from TCM point of view. Okay, solve the problem by nature way. Okay, stop here and any questions you WhatsApp me. Hope the war ends soon, and let's help each other to make the world better. Hope you're fine.